All right, guys, here we go. Part one. Elton John, Mona Lisa's, and Matt. Don't let the sun go down. Elton John live at Ephesus. And here we go. So this is exactly what he's playing. Well, as close as I can get it. It's pretty close to Elton John live at Ephesus 2001. And we have 1, 2, 3. I can't lie, no more of the darkness. And I went to the second line there, and we'll try to do 3 lines in this lesson total. I just want to give you that little snippet there. I'm going to switch to reverb and chorus because that sounds more Elton John-ish. Okay, so here we go. Right hand C, E, G, C. 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on a C, G below that. 1, 2, 3. Then the right hand comes in G, C, F, E, D, C. 1, 2, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you play that F on your 5th finger, the left hand will play that G again. So it's 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then we have 1 and 2, 3. So that next measure is B flat on the 5th finger, B flat on the thumb. The right hand will have F, E, C, G, F, E, D. So you have 1 and 2, 3, 4. So when the notes go a little faster, I put the slur. When they're kind of held out, I'll put the dash. That kind of helps you with your rhythm, I think. This is kind of like just a little grace note, da-da. Because the next measure is going to an F chord. So you play your 5th finger on that A to an F A with 2, 1 there. Ba-ba. Right hand on a C. And then middle C, A, B, C, 1, 3, 4, 5. Your left hand will just play that A again. So it's 1, ba-ba-ba, ba-ba. The next measure, da-da. So you have the E with the 2 finger. We go to a G octave. The right hand does C, E, G, C like we had at the beginning. Play it again. Ba, 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 ba. So la, 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 la. You can go 4, 3, 2, 1 or 2, 1, 2. Right, so it's ba, 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 da, 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 da. So that next measure is F, A, C, F, A. Left hand on F, C, F. 1. Then left with a thumb. So 1, 2. That's the rhythm. 1, 2. And I put that A in the left hand. It really can go on the right. So in the right hand, I have it on the left, on the bottom for some reason. A, C, A, F, C, A. Then the left hand will play that F again. So 1, 2. Then we have ba-da-ba-ba-ba, and then we're to the singing right there. So here we have A, C, F, A, 1, 2, 4, 5 again. It's the same chord we roll over there. Then the left hand has octaves, D, C, B, A, G, and then we begin the verse there, okay? So let's do that whole intro at the beginning. Go. 1, 2, 3. I can't lie, no more of the darkness. All right, so we have G, B, D, G on the right, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on a G that you ended on that octave descent. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ba, ba. So then we have G, C, E, G on the right with left hand G, E. Next measure is a G7 chord, G, B, D, G on the right, 1, 2, 3, 5. Left hand on G, F, 1, 2. So this is really a kind of a quarter note thing here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Counts 3, 4. We'll have D, G, B, D. Left hand on an F still. Okay, and then 1, it's C, F, A, C for counts 1 and 2. C, E, G, C for count 3. Left hand's on a C the whole time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that little da-da-da is a triplet, that 16th note triplet that comes right at the end. So right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's C, F, C, left hand on a C, A, and then G and E in the right. G on the left and right. So 1, da, da, and then you go. Should have slurred that. That's kind of fast. So E on the thumb, then play E, G, E, F, E, D for octaves. When you play the E, you'll have a G in the left hand. And then da, 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 which will be C on the 2 finger to an E octave. All the right hand goes C, C, C. So here it's da, da. Nice. And then C, F, A, C, left hand on an F octave again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Na, 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 na. Right, I needed to play that for you because I hadn't played it this lesson yet. So right there we hit our F chord, you did that. Then you come down for this, F, B flat, D, F with 1, 2, 4, 5. And then, excuse me, really that F and that F are the same. F, F, F. So F, F, A and F at the same time to C. So 1. So starting here it's 2, 3, 4, 3, 4. Go to a G chord, B, D, G on the right, left hand on G, D, G. 1, D. So it's 1, 2, and then that G can be played with the left or the right. Well, I think left works better. So 1, D, and then G, B. You get G in the right, you do G, D, G in the left. D, B, G, and then C, D, G. When you hit that C, you're going to do G, E, G in the left. One more D. So the rhythm is 1, 2, da, 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 da. Right there. Again, 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Here we play the G chord again, B, D, G, left hand on a G octave. 1, 2, and then the right hand goes G, D, G, D, G. Hit the left hand G at the pinnacle of that. And then da, 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 which will be C, G on the right. So D, G, C. D, C, G. Left hand will have the G, E, G again. So here it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a G chord again. 1, 2, 3. So you got to hold that one a bit. I tried to make that line a little bit longer, so you'd go 1, 2, 3. So that's G, B, G. And right after you do that, the left hand goes G and D to G and E. Ba, ba. When you hit that E, you're going to do C, G on the right. Da, da. So it's 1, 2, 3. All right, so B, D, G, left hand on G, F. 1, 2, 3. Count 3 will be D, G, B, D, left hand on the F. And I think the F, G, D. That finishes that measure. That's why I scrolled up here. F, G, D, because that is part of that. Might as well get that in this lesson. 1, 2, 3. Very faint, though. He plays it very softly. Okay? So let's start at the singing and go all the way through what we've done during this lesson. Right there. Go. I can't lie. No more of the darkness. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. 2. I'm sorry. I didn't wait long enough, did I? 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Then we're here, okay? So maybe you need to mark that. If I'm forgetting, you might forget to hold that one out a little bit longer. 1, 2, 3. There we go. Okay, so I will cut. Now that's enough for the first video, and I'll see you in the second.